This thing on? Hey, just wanted to make a quick video and tell everybody that we got some really cool stuff coming at the Old Green Garage. I want to continue to thank everybody for their continued support on the social media pages and the YouTube channel. All you folks that subscribed and liked the videos and liked the posts. Just had a lot going on here lately. Haven't had a lot of time, a lot of free time to work on the vehicles, film any new content, but we got some really cool stuff coming. Going to do a bunch of upgrades on the Old Green truck. A little update on the Mustang. The engine is in pieces, and it's at the machine shop. Got some really cool stuff for that thing. We're going to do a really, really nice build of that thing. Going to make it a really nice little street car, little cruiser type driver for my wife. And we're going to do a lot of suspension upgrades on the Old Green truck. Got some wheels and tires for it. Finally got those mounted. Going to do some lowering blocks in the back. And we got a complete disc brake drop spindle upgrade for the front. That's pretty exciting. A little bit labor intensive to get it done, but we're chipping away at it slowly. So thanks again for all your support, and stay tuned, gang. We got some pretty cool stuff coming up. Thank you and have a good day. Just want to show everybody the wheels and tires. Got them mounted on the want to thank Sig's Tire. Got them mounted up for me a couple days ago and finally got them on the truck. So everybody check it out. Without further ado, here they are. They are a 15x7. I believe they call this a rally style wheel. Bought them second hand from a gentleman. Trying to stay budget minded here. I really dig them. They are mounted up with a 245/60/15 Cooper Cobra. I'd like to thank Sig's Tires for helping us out with that. Got them mounted a couple of days ago and finally got them put on the truck. So in the back here, we went ahead and did a 1.5-inch lowering block in addition to the 4-inch drop springs that I'd previously put in. So that makes a total of 5.5 inches for the drop over stock. Thinking about going a little more. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments section below. Take a look at the old truck here. Been a while. So we're going to do a 2.5-inch drop spindle in the front, which will fix the stance a little better to my liking. I kind of dig the wheels though. Those caps, I believe I've heard them called several different things. I've heard them called police caps or dog dish. If you folks know what the proper terminology is for them, let us know down in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, push that like and subscribe button and stay tuned. We've got some more stuff coming up here. And thanks again. Psst. Hey, there's a bunch of boxes over here. Wonder what could be in them. Might be early Christmas at the Old Green Garage. Let's check it out. So starting off, we got a kit from Inline Tube here. Went with the stainless option. And they got several different kits, all depending on what type of long wheelbase, short wheelbase, 2 or 4-wheel drive. If you got an aftermarket power booster, different things. So go check that deal out. They are really, really super nice, high quality lines. Mandrel bent, I guess machine flared. It's supposed to be the whole kit. I don't think they're all out there though, but so we're going to upgrade to that. Like I said, I would go ahead and spring for the stainless. I think the whole kit was right around $200. Used their products before, highly recommend them. This is the 8-inch power booster. See the vacuum port right here. We're going to pull the vacuum from the intake manifold on our buzzing half dozen. There is the, I'm not usually a flashy guy, but I'd like to give Rob a shout out over at Dave's Truck Parts in Claremont, North Carolina. He made me a really, really good deal on all this stuff. One-stop shop for all your 47 to 87 Chevrolet and GMC products. This has all the parts and pieces necessary to convert it over, and looking back on it, I kind of screwed up. I did not get the kit for the hydraulic clutch, so I had to source something from, I've got something coming from another vendor to swap that over and move the clutch cylinder. This thing has all the proportioning valves, bracketry, jumper lines, everything you need to bolt the thing together. This is for a disc drum setup. So I know the proportion valve is a little different if you go with a 4-wheel disc setup. Right here we have the CPP 2.5-inch drop spindles. These are new spindles. Went with the 2.5 drop option. I think there's a standard and a 2.5-inch drop. And these are brand new spindles. You see the bracketry there for the brake calipers. And last but certainly not least, we went with the 12-inch front rotor kit. I went with 6 lug, obviously, keeping the factory pattern. That is a GM style single piston caliper. This thing came with all these are the stainless whip hoses. I don't know what folks' preference are there. That's what came in the kit. I think we're going to go with those. But it came with all the bearings and seals. The races are already pressed into the hubs. You just have to pack the bearings. These are the 12-inch rotors, and they are the drilled and slotted option, which I don't think is a performance gain either way. But this is what they had in stock over at Dave's Truck Parts, and I'm not a very patient guy, so that's what I went with. But there again, thanks everybody for tuning in, and hopefully we can get all this stuff bolted on the old green truck and start taking her down the road. Just want to say thanks to everybody for coming and hanging out with us for a few minutes, and pretty cool. It's pretty cool stuff coming. I'm really excited about it. Hope you'll join us for the rest of the journey here. Just want to give a shout out to Rob over at Dave's Truck Parts, Claremont, North Carolina, and the folks over at Sig's Tire. Looking forward to doing some different things and getting some more progress made on our vehicles. We're also working on, we're going to revamp our logo a little bit, I think. Give you folks some options if you would like to support us by purchasing some of our merchandise. So pretty excited about that. Hope you guys will continue to support us, and thank you again. And if you haven't done so, push that like and subscribe button down below and leave us a comment. And as always, till next time, thanks.